Hello and thank you once again for tuning into the Stonyfield Outdoor channel. Today I want to do a short review on my Shooter Lube Essentials Pack that I purchased. It comes with a cool t-shirt, a 4-ounce solvent, and a 2-ounce oil. Purchase price was right around $40, but before we can get into how well this stuff works, we need to go put some rounds through this thing at the range. Man, doesn't that make you feel better? Anyway, now that we got some rounds through this firearm, let's go ahead, zoom in, get it stripped down, get the bolt carrier group out, get the bolt out, and let's see how well this actually cleans and protects this firearm. Okay, so we're going to take our 4-ounce solvent, and then when we're done our 2-ounce oil, let's see how well this Shooter Lube stuff works. Put this junky towel down on the table just for extra protection from that, so let's go ahead and pop some pins. Get our bolt carrier group out. Okay, let's break our bolt carrier group down. Take our firing pin retainer out. Okay, there's our firing pin. And I don't know if you can see that or not, but it is pretty dirty after all those rounds run through it. You can see it coming out of my fingers there. And we can get that bolt retainer out, and there is our bolt itself. So we're going to see how well this stuff works. Alright, so we got everything laid out here on the cleaning pad. Let's start with the firing pin. If you look at this solvent bottle, there's a little button right here on the side. If you look right now, it's in on the lock position. Nothing's going to come out. Push that to unlock. Give it a spurt. Okay. There are some warnings for minor irritation and stuff if you get this on your fingers, but I highly doubt it's going to really bother you too much. And just for emphasis, let's grab that one of those paper towels, and we'll see how well this stuff comes off. Oh my, that cleans it really nice. And you can see all the gunk that just came off of that firing pin just from spraying a little bit of that solvent on there. That's impressive. Nice and clean. A little bit down here at the base, but all in all, that is very, very impressive. So we have a clean firing pin. Here's our bolt retaining pin. Let's give that a little squirt. Oh yeah. Okay, so there's all that dirt that just came off from that right there. That's a lot cleaner. Look at our bolt. I mean, you can see I already got a little bit of overspray on this, and it's already coming off. Let me grab a clean paper towel. That one is dirty. I'm only using the paper towels because the white's going to show all the stuff's going to come off. Normally when you would clean, you wouldn't use your normal cleaning pads or whatever you happen to use. So don't need too much. Feels like that bottle is going to last a long time. That spray comes out at a really, really nice angle and has really good coverage. And you can see, like, look at all that junk coming off of that bolt right there. Come back here behind the gas rings. Get in front of the gas rings. Look at that. That stuff cleans amazing. I like it. Definitely worth looking into. Okay. All kinds of nasty stuff off, and we have a clean bolt. Very, very nice. Very impressed. This stuff cleans really well. I mean, you can tell, like, look at all the the gunk we got off of that. So let's go ahead and slap this back together. Let's make sure our extractor's on the right side here. Out to the left. Okay. Get our bolt retainer back in. Get that orientated the right way to accept the firing pin. Let's throw our firing pin back in there. And firing pin retainer. Just want to put a little bit anywhere you see wear on your BCG. Put a little oil down there. A little bit goes a long way with this, so that's really nice. Good coverage. I like it. Okay. Bolt carrier group's nice and lubed up. Nice and clean. Let's go ahead and close that up there. Like I said, a little bit of this stuff goes a long way, so this will last you a long time. That's really nice. Don't need that. Okay. And now we have very nice. Got a clean bolt carrier group. Overall, I'm extremely impressed with the Shooter Lube products. They're eco-friendly, they don't leave a residue, they clean well, and they lubricate well. They did everything they were advertised to do. So check the description of the video. We hope you enjoyed it. There'll be a link to the Shooter Lube's website down there. Go give them a look, check out their stuff. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe.